ready to transform bite-sized AI clips into captivating stories. First, generate your individual video scenes in Leonardo AI, ensuring each scene logically follows the previous one to build a coherent narrative. Think of it like storyboarding before you start generating the scenes. Next, import all your AI-generated video clips into your favorite video editing software. I'm using CapCut here. Arrange the clips on the timeline in the correct order to tell your story. This is where the magic happens. Add seamless transitions between clips. A simple cross-dissolve works well, but experiment with different transitions to find what suits your video style. Now, let's add some background music. Choose a track that complements the mood and pace of your video. Adjust the volume so that it enhances the visuals without overpowering them. To add an extra layer of storytelling, consider incorporating text overlays. These can introduce characters, provide context, or highlight key information. Finally, color grading can unify the look and feel of your video. Adjust the colors of each clip to create a consistent aesthetic. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, export the video in a high-quality format and share your extended AI narrative with the world.